on the last time you saw this truck. Alright, that's how it's looking right now. Okay, hello there, my beautiful people. It's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West. I know it's been a long time since I did a vlog about my truck, my Ram 1500. Yeah, sorry about that, man. You know, with life and being busy, and to be quite honest with you, I want to be a motor vlog. Because I kind of like motorcycles more than cars in trucks, but I definitely am feeling like I get more love with my truck than I do motorcycles. So it's like, oh my god, maybe I should just like switch over to like being a truck vlogger. I think I might do that. Anyway, this whole vlog is to talk about me using plasti dip, which is the stuff in a can to paint my truck. Um, and then I touched on my lights, my underglow lights up underneath the truck a little bit. I think I'm gonna do a full-on talk about some of the mods and the mods that's on my car. I mean, on my truck, because a lot of people have been asking me about the grill, the headlights, the underglow. How's it doing? Is it still good? Does it still work? My answers to all of those questions is yes, it still does. I'm gonna go over in detail with another video. Hopefully, I do it sooner than later. I got a couple other extra mods to actually put on the truck, so stay tuned. Don't worry, I might just make a special channel just for truck stuff, because I feel like my truck people, they get kind of neglected, and I'm sorry about that, guys. I love you guys just as much as my motorcycle people, if not more, because you guys show way more love. All right, let's go. All right, got the plastic on there. It's time to spray. Alright, second part of this thing, painting the sides. So, hopefully it goes well. It's blowing, the wind's blowing pretty hard, but I don't know. Hopefully I can paint it up, so. Alright, so I had to move the project in the garage because the wind was blowing entirely too hard. But yeah, so hopefully you can see it. I'm about to paint the whole side of this.
Yeah, I'm a little aggravated. After today, after I finish painting everything today, I'm never painting ever outside again. It's stupid. It's pissing me off, you know. I wish I had my own dedicated place to paint, but whatever. Okay, what do you think? You see this line right here? You're probably thinking, oh man, you messed up, right? Go back in there. Right? Just go in and just you wipe it. Super easy. Comes off. But look at that line though. Look how straight the line is. Yeah. Well, okay guys. So of course, like normal, I couldn't finish everything, but I got the lights rewired back and they're white. And so what I did, because I don't think I really talked too much about it, I needed a fuse box so I can have my lights on and not worry about it going crazy. But if you don't have a fuse box for the lights, what's going to happen is it's going to have a cancerous charge, which means it's going to forever be taking the battery or the life off your battery, or B, it'll catch fire. So yeah, it look hard, right? Hold on, show you this. Oh yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. The underglow is insane. Alright. So what's next is just exit picture. There we go. It's a picture and it's a video.